Save hours on Walmart. How to list products in bulk, step by step. Also, at the end of the video, I'll show you where to access free Walmart training. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so there's literally a free tutorial online if you didn't know how to do it, right? So you can just type it in and it has like step by step by step. But of course, I'm going to be showing you how to do it in today's video. So you're going to log into Walmart Seller Center and then go to Catalog and then click Add Items. Once you click there, you can add items in bulk, right? So we got the Express setup. We've got Upload in bulk right here if you want to use a spreadsheet. But first, I'm going to show you how to do it without a spreadsheet because the spreadsheet's a little bit complicated. But pretty much, you're going to look for items. Let's say you want to sell this Marvel Uno, right? And you want to sell this Minecraft Uno. Okay, so you got these two items that you want to sell. You need to find the item ID. Now the item ID is right here, so we can copy that. This is the item ID. And we're going to put that right into here and click search. And then we're going to wait for it to load and then it should show up right here. And you can click add. Right, now it's added. And now we're going to find the other one. Here's Minecraft. So this is great if it's already on Walmart, then it's super easy. So you can just double check if it's already on Walmart first. And again, we're going to click search. We've already got one added item. And now we found the Minecraft one, add. So now we've got two in the top right hand corner. We're going to click add items, next. And now it's just going to go through step by step by step on helping us add items. If you want to do seller fulfilled, you just add the SKU, you add the selling price, all that fun stuff. And then you can literally submit it and bada bing, bada boom, you're done. That's the easiest way if it's already on Walmart. If it's not on Walmart, we want to exit out of here and we have to actually create a listing from complete scratch. So in order to do that, let's go back to the bulk upload page. So again, you're going to go to add items and now it says add thousands of items using a spreadsheet. And now it's time to use the bulk upload and download that. So let's scroll down. So this is for creating new items. I literally showed you the fastest way if it's already on Walmart. But if you want to create new items, you have to use this spreadsheet. So make sure you put in the correct category. So let's say we're selling arts and crafts. Okay. And then we're going to click next. And now you're going to be specific on what category you want to sell in. Let's just say it's airbrush kits. And of course, you can always change the category after you create the listing, so it's not that big of a deal. I recommend to do it as seller fulfilled first. After you're done with seller fulfilled and it's on Walmart, then you're going to change it to Walmart WFS. So do seller fulfilled first because it's easier, in my professional opinion. Once it's on Walmart, then you can convert it to WFS. Now you're going to download that spreadsheet and we're going to fill it out together. Now this is what the spreadsheet looks like, and I'm going to be honest, it's not that crazy, right? So all you have to do is put in the SKU right here and then fill out the blue. The orange is optional, so I wouldn't even do the orange if you're trying to save time. Just do the blue. So let's do the SKU. So we're sharing airbrush things. So let's just do the SKU is airbrush 1. And now we're going to do another listing. Let's do airbrush 2. And let's do another one, airbrush 3. Okay. Now you're going to provide either the GTIN, the EAN, GTIN, ISBN, or UPC. If you don't have these, you need one, okay? Now to get one for cheap, you can just literally go to snapupc.com. Snapupc.com is where you can buy them, but this is the cheap place to buy them. If you want to buy legit UPC codes, you're going to want to go to gs1.org. And then they're going to help you buy legit UPC codes. These ones are a lot more expensive, but they're going to have your own brand name under it and stuff. If you want to just do something quick and easy, it's going to be snapupc.com or upcs.com. Okay? But now you're going to put that in. Let's download the spreadsheet. And then we got here. So let's just get that. They're going to give us UPC codes. So we're going to give UPC, UPC, UPC. And then you're going to kind of just type in the UPC code, whatever it is. Let's just say this one's 8, this one's 9. I already told you how to get them, right? And this one's 6. Now you're just going to put in the selling price. Let's just say we're selling them all for $29.99. Cool. And then the shipping weight. So I'm just going to say it's half a pound each. And this is in pounds. And that's it. You're going to save that. Save it. Exit out of it. And now we're going to go back here. And we're going to click exit. Then once you exit, we're going to go back to this portal. And we're going to go back to the upload in bulk page. And then this is where you're going to upload that spreadsheet that you downloaded. So you're going to click upload. And you're going to upload that spreadsheet that you downloaded. All right, you're going to put that in here and make sure it's not empty. Now I'm going to upload it right here. And if there is any errors, it says right here, a file has been downloaded and it highlights with errors. So it's easy. If there is problems, like you typed in the wrong UPC code, like I did, I used a random UPC code. You need to make sure that everything's correct and then you can resubmit it. Once you resubmit it, then it's going to go into Walmart's system. And then what you're going to want to do is they're going to give you, you're going to go to the activity ID. So sometimes it takes 24 hours to process this document, but what you're going to want to do is go to your activity feed right here. And then it's going to, after like 10 minutes of uploading it, it's going to have an activity feed right here and it should say processed. If it doesn't say processed or if it says error, what you want to do is copy this feed ID and you're going to want to contact Walmart. You're going to say, hey, here, you're going to contact support. Sometimes it just doesn't go through, so you need to contact support. Hi, please help me create these listings in bulk on Walmart. We're just going to type that in first. And then we can get in touch with somebody, right? And then we can say, oh, new item setup errors, or you can do this one, other unpublished error codes, right? We're just going to do this one for right now. Any of them will work. You just want to contact them. You can actually chat with them. And what you're going to want to do is send them that feed ID number. And you're going to want to also send them that spreadsheet that you created and say, look, here's the finished spreadsheet. Here's the feed ID. Can you please help me push these through? Then you're going to follow up with them in the portal. You can go to the help button and then there's a little portal and then you can just follow up with them to get it pushed through. But that's it in a nutshell. And if the bulk upload doesn't work, you can always upload them one at a time just by doing add items, but it does take a lot longer. Now for staying towards the end of the video, I said I'd give you access to free seller training. So all you're gonna do on Google is type in free Walmart seller training. And that's where I found the video I showed you at the beginning. And it takes you to Seller Academy and it literally has free training step by step by step how to do all of this and more, like PPC management, performance, and all that good stuff, which is great. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on a new listing strategy that I didn't mention in this video that helps you create listings on Walmart. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video like creating listings, or just help selling on Walmart, contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, call Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Walmart for hours on end just to fix an issue. Let us help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.